before I get too far, check out what I just picked up. 48-inch radius with 167 hours. I just got it to fire with some starting fluid. I am 99% sure the carb is clogged. So I'm taking off the shroud and cleaning up the carb. I replaced the fuel filter, replaced this nasty air filter, because before I sprayed that in there, all this was pretty nasty. As you can tell, it's been a hard 167 hours. This dude straight up put this thing away pretty wet. All the tires were flat. He said he hasn't ran it for probably 6 months. The gas was almost on E, but we put some gas in it. I wish we didn't put gas in it, so I could clean out the rest of this trash gas in here. Can't even see, there was like a grime line in there, but I really should clean all this off, but I think I'll be good. I'm gonna, what is that? Emissions filter. I'm gonna take carb off and see what's in there. I'll probably clean all this up before I mess with the carb though. Look at this intake manifold. I don't know if you can see that, but straight dirt nasty. So if it's not gunked up fuel, there's definitely some dirt in here. Look at this. I believe it's not supposed to look like this, guys. I know I should have cleaned the outside first, but I was pretty sure that this was gonna look like this. I believe this is the main jet. I haven't looked up anything for this carb, but that is definitely very sticky. It's like tar. Waxy. Definitely gonna clean this out. I believe it should fire right up, because that's pretty gross for carb. All this is like sticky icky, kind of like some bong resin. Not that I know what bong resin is, but you know, consistency of bong resin. Clean this up and throw it on. Maybe at the bottom. See what you guys see what's in there. Bowl is pretty clean. I'll take these jets out and see if those are clogged. I really don't want to, but I just think whatever the hell this is clogged. I just poked these 4 little holes with a carb poker. I got that with my Chinese carb off the other Exmark. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up some more and slap her back together. I believe she will run, because 2 out of those 4 were clogged. Alright, this is how she's gonna go back in. Not 100%, but way better. I might get a rebuild kit. I might not. Filters look like they're salvageable, but I got a fuel filter as well. Gonna replace that. Battery's charging. I fully expect this to fire up and run. Clean the manifold all up. I don't know if you can tell from the last time, but it's definitely dirty. Curiosity killed the cat. I did not clean the engine up yet, but we're gonna crank her. Should take a couple cranks because I just changed the filter. Let's see what happens. No fuel. Hey, there we go. I had these wrong for sure. I think I figured it out. These are on top of the carb. I looked up a parts diagram. It said something about air nozzle. I'm assuming these were clogged because when I poked through with the wire, I felt some resistance. But I took some 10 gauge wire and took one of the strands out. That's about how small it is. Hope this works. Alright, this is the sensor on the front side of the carb. It was gummed up, stuck down. I'm assuming this will fix it. I took the fuel pump apart, but that was clean. This is last hope before it has to go to the dealer, I think. Because I have taken apart the carb multiple times, cleaned out every single part except for this, and this is now freely moving. I don't know what it does, but it's a needle on the bottom. So I think it's this. We shall see. I finally got it. You know, just another 3 hours on the clock. Some of it was from me leaving the key on. But that spring being stuck was definitely it. Listen to this baby purr, boy. Can't get too crazy. Oh, it's kind of low. Like low. But yeah, I'm gonna button this baby up, clean all this junk out. Maybe do a oil change. Let's see if the dealer's still open. But my dad got tired of looking at all the trash in it and picked it out for me. You know, perks of still living at home. I just got a deal of a lifetime. She cleaned up real nice. I get a new battery tomorrow. One from Walmart's. Not enough cranking amps, but definitely runs. Beaut. She's a beaut. That clicking was a twig in there. I can't wait to service this thing. I'm gonna do an oil change tomorrow. Pick up a new filter because I sat on this one. I'm probably gonna get the dealer to do the hydro fluid change. I don't know. I'll look that up. But yeah, pretty mint. Missing the chute, but I'm probably gonna get a mulch kit. Missing the pulley guards, but I guess no one runs the pulley guards anyways. Yup. I can't wait to mow with this thing. Maybe Friday, take it to the lot.